Okay, here's my first example on circle geometry. So we're asked to find the radius, right? Which is always from the center to the outside of the circle. So this is the thing we're going to find. I'm going to call this x. We're told that AP is a tangent, right? So if you remember your circle geometry, if you go from the center to any point outside of the circle, this always has to be a right angle. So this is 90 degrees. OPA, OPA. Remember, you just follow the order of the letters. So we're always really looking at the angle in the middle of the letters. Okay, so now we need to find x. So this is where SOHCAHTOA is going to come in handy. Remember our trig stuff, SOHCAHTOA? So what we need to decide is whether we're going to use sine, cos, or tan. So I'm going to look at the information available to me. Well, if this is the right angle, that makes this the hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. This is the angle we're given, which makes this the opposite side over here, which makes this one the adjacent. So if we have O and A, we're not using the hypotenuse, then we're going to use tan. So remember, tan of the angle equals opposite over adjacent. So tan of the angle, which is 37 degrees, equals opposite, which is the one we don't know, over the adjacent, which is 11. Now all we need to do is get x by itself, so we're going to bring this across as a multiplication. And then I'm just going to type that into my calculator. So 11, 10, 37. Remember, give 2 decimal places unless you're told otherwise, is 8.29. Now we know it's in centimetres, so I'm going to make sure I include centimetres for my distance. Okay, hopefully you remember how to do that. If not, feel free to ask some more questions.